This is Marcus with Velocity Micro, bringing you PC anatomy in under a minute. This series will include a high-level definition of what a part is and how it functions, what you should look for in that part depending on your build, and a tip from the experts here at Velocity Micro. Random access memory is where your CPU dumps all of its operations in the short term before they get sent, stored, deleted, and so on. Where your hard drive is what's stowed away, your RAM is what's right in arm's reach for your processor. The amount of RAM that you have acts as a ceiling for how much your CPU can do. RAM itself can be faster, designated by the number after its generation, though in our experience, the fastest RAM can become slightly unstable. We recommend 16 GB for everyday users, 32 GB for gamers and creators, and 64 GB for professionals. Anything beyond that tends to be in serious CPU workstation territory. And that's it. Consider us for your next PC if you're not building, but if you are and need some more info, don't sweat it.